Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's a beautiful day today in Indiana, so let's go a little shopping with me. Now, time to break open my shopping bag. First of all, don't tell my husband I spent $80 only at the Dollar Tree. Alright, start from gardening stuff. Plant watering globes. It's worked really well on my aloe vera that I bought earlier. I put here right away because I want to watering my aloe vera that I bought at the same day at Walmart, and I bought this simple white beautiful pot also. If I'm lucky, I will use this aloe vera for my hair care, and this plant watering globe just worked magically, and it's only $1.25. Move on to decoration stuff. These beautiful flowers, so gorgeous on my spring wreath. This photo frame, guys, so classy and good quality as well. I use these Cricut Vinyls for home decorations, tags on the kitchen. Let's move on to organizer. Look at this cute organizer, guys. You can put jewelry in it, and if you like accessories, anything you liked, this is a good organizer for you. And these drawer liners is washable, durable, easy to apply and remove. Who doesn't like neat drawers? There is lots of office supplies too, like envelopes and photo paper. Move on to DIY project. This cannot wait. If I'm harvesting my lavender, I will put the dry lavender in it and then smell very good. to use this heavy dusty dust mask for my DIY project. Sanding sponge, DIY. I like it, have it by myself, even though my husband has a lot. I like it for my garden or for my DIY project. I will put my name Melly here. Ta-da! For $1.25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Furniture scratch marker. Waterproof, dries quickly, helps cover scratches and scuff on wood, mahogany, walnut, and black. Gosh, so useful. Move on to cleaning supply. This Go Gone Adhesive Remover removes sticky, gummy, gooey. You can use this Go Gone product at the carpets and clothing. This Microfiber Towel, I don't know, this is too, and it for $1.25. This spray bottle, I loving it. I put the glass cleaner here. I love it so much, and it's easy to spray. I'm using it for clean my garden boots, choppers, crouches. Heavy duty choppers is great for cleaning tough bake on food, ideal for uncoated pots and pans. Now move on to beauty and makeup product. The Scrunchies here. The scrunchie here, I'm using it now. Roll on Aroma Guru. It's just so good for anything. You know, I loving it to help relax, distress, promote whole body, helps restore skin complexion. It is true, last time I get kinda itchy over here and I put this. It just works really good. Promotes restful sleep, helps soothe skin irritation and burns. It is true. Unbelievable. It's only just $1.25 and this works really good on my skin. It's 3-in-1 cotton set. So convenient for travel, isn't it? Your travel buddy. This shadow switching sponge. Oh my god. How many times we have to use tissue or Kleenex to switch any shadow that left on the brush. Natural eyelash enhancer with castor oil. Ingredients: castor oil and rosemary essentials oil. I never tried before, so I'm gonna give it a shot. This hand spa, my mother-in-law loving it. Two makeup sponge, one the pink one and one the black one. Luminous. We never get enough for have so many sponge. Loving it. Dental flossers is your lifesaver, really. Even though we have to visit our dentist every 6 or year, this dental flossers is just my lifesaver. I'm not really good use a dental flosser, the one like thread like that is always bleeding, so that's why this is my lifesaver. Oh my god, thank god this product exists, and only $1.25 for this mini 60. Next is the kitchen stuff. This glass wine, oh my god, I'm loving it, and it's so classy, good quality. This also very thick, just really good quality. I I like to use it to drink anything, especially water in the morning. This ramen bowl, my gosh, at Walmart will be $6 and this one only $1.25. This three spoon, I am loving it. I'm obsessed for baking or cooking, of course. This small container, just so good to put salsa or apple in the morning. Grab and go. Just so convenient. Cake container, cakes or whatever you put in here. Multi-purpose clips, paper files, power clips. So colorful and just so useful. Loving it. Alright guys, so that is my kitchen organization, decoration, gardening stuff from the Dollar Tree. I hope you like the video and I hope inspires you and useful for you. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you soon. Thank you so much. Bye.